Have you ever wondered why you can see your face when you look into a mirror? Or why a lake reflects the mountains and sky? The answer, my friends, lies in a fascinating concept called the law of reflection. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the world of light and reflection. Imagine throwing a tennis ball against a wall. It bounces back, right? Light behaves in a similar manner when it hits a smooth and shiny surface like a mirror. This bouncing back of light is what we call reflection. Now let's delve into the law of reflection. Picture a flat mirror and a single ray of light hitting the mirror. The ray that hits the mirror, we call it the incident ray. Now the incident ray comes in at an angle which we term as the angle of incidence. This angle is always measured relative to an imaginary line at the point of incidence, perpendicular to the surface, known as the normal. The incident ray doesn't just vanish upon hitting the mirror, it bounces back. This bounce-back ray is what we call the reflected ray. The angle between the reflected ray and the normal is the angle of reflection. Here comes the first part of the law of reflection. It states that the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Yes, you heard it right. They're always equal, no matter the shape or angle of the surface. The second part of the law of reflection is quite simple. It states that the incident ray, the normal, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. So, in simpler terms, when light hits a smooth surface, it bounces back at the same angle it came in, and all this happens in a single flat surface or plane. You might be wondering, why is this important? Well, the law of reflection governs everything that involves light. It's why you can see yourself in a mirror. It's why you can see the reflection of the mountains in a lake. It's why periscopes in submarines work. It's even why optical fibers can transmit light over long distances. In summary, the law of reflection, with its two parts, governs how light interacts with surfaces. It tells us that the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection, and that the incident ray, the normal, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. It's a fundamental principle of optics, and understanding it allows us to make sense of the beautiful and complex world of light and reflection. So the next time you see your reflection, remember, there's a whole lot of science going on there.